If 1, 2, 4, 5, x 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So here we taking the points as a parallelogram in an order, that one given. So a of 1 comma 2 and b of 4 comma y, c of x comma 6 and d of 3 comma 5. Now here we have to find the x and y values. So in a parallelogram, if we observe the properties remembered means parallelogram to opposite sides are equal and parallel. But if we equalize means here getting is some difficult. But we know that in a parallelogram the diagonals lengths are not equal, but the two diagonals are bisect at each other. That means both are intersecting at same point. That means the same point if we find means we get simply the x and y values. That means the bisecting point is nothing but the midpoint. So here we have to use the midpoint formula. So the midpoint formula for a of x1 y1 and b of x2 y2 coordinates is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So now we use that formula and find the x and y values in this parallelogram. So midpoint of AC diagonal AC is equal to midpoint of diagonal BD. Since in parallelogram diagonals are bisect each other. So the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2 to we substituting, that is 1 plus x by 2 by y1 plus y2, 2 plus 6 by 2 is equal to midpoint of BD. So x1 plus x2, 4 plus 3 by 2, y1 plus y2, y plus 5 by 2. Now here if we equalize the coordinates, now 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2. Now the division 2 transfers to RHS, that is the product. So 1 plus x is equal to 4 plus 3 is 7 by 2 into 2. 2 gets cancelled. So 1 plus x is equal to 7. Now this plus 1 transfers to RHS, that is minus 1. 7 minus 1, that equal to 6. Now equalizing the y coordinates. So 2 plus 6 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. Now the division 5 RHS1 transferring to LHS, that is product 2 into 2 plus 6 is 8 by 2 equal to y plus 5. 2 gets cancelled. So 8 is equal to 8 plus 5 y plus 5. Now RHS plus 5 transfers to LHS, that is minus 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to y. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So y value is 3. So from here by using the midpoint formula we get x value as 6 and y value as 3. Now if we observe a line segment AB dividing into four equal parts that are P, Q, R. Now that will be dividing. Now if we observed these all are equal parts, then 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So now the line segment AB is dividing in AP is to PB. Ratio is equal to 1:3. Now AQ is to QB ratio, that is 2:2. 2:2 is nothing but 1:1. Now if it will be divided AR is to RB ratio, that is nothing but 3:1. So now here it will be dividing into 4 equal parts. So that one too, if we now in another model observed, now Q point dividing AB into 1:1 ratio. Same now if AQ line segment dividing by P, observe that will be dividing into 2 equal parts. So AQ dividing in P wise, AP is to PQ is 1:1 ratio. Similarly, the QB line segment dividing by the point R in 1:1 ratio. So the QB dividing QR is to RB in 1:1 ratio. That means now totally the 4 equal parts means now we have to find the midpoint of AB is Q and midpoint of AQ is P and midpoint of QB is R. That one finding means simply completing. That means we have to use the midpoint formula and find 4 equal points to dividing points. Find the points which divide the line segment joining A of -4, 0 and B of 0, 6 into 4 equal points. So AB line segment is given, that is -4, 0 and B of 0, 6 dividing into 4 equal parts. So the 4 equal parts are P, Q and R. Now that Q is nothing but midpoint of AB, the P is nothing but the midpoint of AQ and R is nothing but the midpoint of QB. That one now we finding. So we know already the midpoint of the point A of x1 y1 B of x2 y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Now finding the Q point. So midpoint of AB, that is Q, that is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 -4 plus 0 by 2 and y1 plus y2 0 plus 6 by 2. -4 plus 0 is nothing but -4. 0 plus 6 is 6. That means -4 by 2, 6 by 2. 2 ones, 2 twos. -4 by 2 is -2. 2 ones, 2 threes, 6 by 2 is. That means the midpoint of ABQ is -2, 3. Now finding the midpoint of P, that is the midpoint of AQ. That is x1 plus x2 by 2 -4 plus of -2 by 2. y1 plus y2 0 plus 3 by 2. So plus into minus is minus. So -4 -2 by 2, 0 plus 3 is 3 by 2. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 by 2, comma 3 by 2. Minus 6 by 2 is nothing but minus 3, comma 3 by 2. Next, the midpoint of QB, that is nothing but R. So, midpoint of QB, that is R, that is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Q is minus 2 plus 0 by 2 and 3 plus 6 by 3. Now minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2 by 2. 3 plus 6 is 9 by 3. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. 9 by 3 is 3. So the 4 equal parts to dividing points are minus 2 comma 3 and 3 minus 3 comma 3 by 2 and minus 1 comma 3. That are the points. So now we find the point R, that is nothing but the midpoint of QB. So midpoint of QB is equal to R. So x1 plus x2 by 2, minus 2 plus 0 by 2, y1 plus y2, 3 plus 6 by 2, minus 2 plus 0, that is nothing but minus 2 by 2, 3 plus 6 is 9 by 2, minus 2 by 2 is minus 1, comma 9 by 2. So the line segment joining the points minus 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 6 dividing into 4 equal parts, that dividing points are minus 2 comma 3, minus 3 comma 3 by 2, minus 1 comma 9 by 2. Find the points which divide the line segment joining A of minus 1 2 comma 2 and B of 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. That is the question given. So here the points A of minus 2 comma 2 and the point B of 2 comma 8 dividing into 4 equal parts, dividing their points are P, Q, R. That one we have to find. Now the Q point is the midpoint of AB and P is midpoint of AQ and R is midpoint of QB. So here we have to use midpoint formula. So the midpoint formula is for the points A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So now midpoint of AB finding, midpoint of AB is Q, that is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 minus 2 plus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 2 plus 8 by 2, minus 2 plus 2, that is 0, 0 by 2, for 2 plus 8, that is 10 by 2, 0 by 2 is 0, 10 by 2 is 5. So the Q coordinates are 0 and 5. Now midpoint of AQ finding. So that AQ is nothing but the point P. So x1 plus x2 minus 2 plus 0 by 2, y1 plus y2, 2 plus 5 by 2. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2 by 2. 2 plus 5 is 7 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Next, midpoint of QB, that is R. So now Q value is 0 comma 5 and B value is 2 comma 8. So x1 plus x2 0 plus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2 5 plus 8, 0 by 2, 0 plus 2 is 2 by 2, 5 plus 8 is 13 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1, comma 13 by 2. So now this line segment minus 2 comma 2, 2 comma 8 to joining 1 is dividing into 4 equal parts. Then the 4 equally dividing points are 0 comma 5, minus 1 comma 7 by 2, 1 comma 13 by 2. In a triangle, the vertex to opposite side midpoint to drawn the line segment is called median. For a triangle, we can draw 3 medians. Now the 3 medians will be intersecting at a point, and the intersecting point will be called as centroid, and this centroid point dividing the median in the ratio 2:1. Now the centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now by using this centroid formula, we solve some problems. The points of concurrence of medians of a triangle is called its centroid. Now the centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. If a of x1 y1, b of x2 y2 and c of x3 comma y3 are the vertices of a triangle, then its centroid is g equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Find the centroid of the triangles with the following vertices: minus 1 comma 3, 6 comma minus 3 and minus 3 comma 6. Now that centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So x1, x2, x3 are minus 1, 6 and minus 3 by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. 3 minus 3 plus 6 by 3. Now 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2 by 3. 3 minus 3 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 by 3. So 2 by 3 comma 6 by 3 is 2. So for that points 6 comma 2, 0 comma 0 and 4 comma minus 7, the centroid is, so centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So here x1 is 6, x2 is 0 and x3 is 4 by 3, and y1 is 2, y2 is 0 and y3 is minus 7 by 3. So 6 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to 10 by 3. 2 minus 7, that is minus 5 by 3. So 10 by 3 comma minus 5 by 3 is the centroid of these triangles formed by the vertices 6 comma 2, 0 comma 0 and 4 comma minus 7. Find the centroid of the triangle with the following vertices: 1 comma minus 1, 0 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 0. So the centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So x1 1, x2 0, x3 minus 3 by 3, y1 minus 1, y2 6, y3 0 by 3, that is equal to 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 by 3, minus 1 plus 6, that is 5 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 comma 5 by 3 are the vertices of centroid of the triangle 1 comma minus 1, 0 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 0. For the vertices minus 4 comma 6, 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 5 to centroid finding. So the centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So x1 is minus 4, x2 is 2, x3 is 3 by 3, y1 is 6, y2 is minus 2 and y3 is 5 by 3. So 2 plus 2 4 minus 4 that is 0 by 3. 6 minus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9 by 3. So 0 by 3 is equal to 0, 9 by 3 is 3. So 0 comma 3 point is the centroid for the triangle formed by the vertices minus 4 comma 6, 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 5. Find the centroid for the triangle formed by the vertices 3 comma 4 minus 7 comma minus 2 10 comma minus 5. Now that centroid formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now here x1 equal to 3, x2 is minus 7 and x3 is 10 by 3, y1 is 4, y2 is minus 2, y3 is minus 5 by 3. So 10 minus 7 3, 3 plus 3 that equal to 6 by 3. So minus 5 minus 2 that is minus 7, minus 7 plus 4 that is minus 3 by 3. 6 by 3 is equal to 2, minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. So 2 comma minus 1 is the centroid for the triangle formed by the vertices 3 comma 4 minus 7 comma minus 2 and 10 comma minus 5. Two vertices of a triangle are 3 comma 2, 2 comma minus 1 and its centroid is 5 by 3, 1 by 3. Find the third vertex of the triangle. So here third vertex is not given. So third vertex of the triangle may be taking as x comma y. Then by using the centroid formula that is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now here that points are 3 comma 2, 2 comma 1 and xy are 3 points. So that one if we substituting in this principle 3 plus 2 plus x by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 that is 2 plus 1 plus y by 3 is equal to, now here given the centroid as 5 by 3, 1 by 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5 plus x by 3, 2 plus 1 3 plus y by 3. Now this point is equal to the given centroid 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3 point. Now here both points are equal. So equalizing the coordinates. Now if equalizing the x coordinates that are abscissa, that one 5 plus x by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. Now the denominator 3 LHS 1 transfers to RHS, then 5 plus x is equal to 5 by 3 into 3, 3 gets cancelled. So 5 plus x is equal to 5. Now this plus 5 LHS 1 transfers to RHS, that is minus 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So x coordinate is 0. Now equalizing the y coordinates, 3 plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 3. Now that denominator 3 transferring to RHS, that is the multiplication 1 by 3 into 3. 3 gets cancelled. So 3 plus y is equal to 1. Now this plus 3 LHS is transfers to RHS, minus 3. 1 minus 3 that is equal to minus 2. So the y coordinate is minus 2. Therefore the third vertex of the triangle is 0 comma minus 2.